like a Hellcat.
Our topic for today is all about exponents. These are the rules of exponent. X raised to m times x raised to n. All you have to do is to add the exponent m plus n. Second is x raised to m all over by x raised to n. Ang gagawin naman, pag susubtrakin yung nasa taas at yung nasa baba. Kaya x raised to m less n. Third rule is multiplication rule. Pag multiply natin yung exponent niya. Pang-apat, distribute. Di-distribute natin yung exponent niya dun sa quantity. Kaya x raised to n, y raised to n. Ito naman, number 5, x all over by y times quantity n is equal to, i-distribute din natin yung n, yung x raised to n all over by y raised to n. Rule number 6, x raised to 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Number 7, x raised to negative n is equal to 1 all over by x raised to n. So, yun po yung 7 rules natin sa exponent. Examples. X raised to 6 times x raised to 2. Diba, sa rule is, gagawin pag addin natin yung exponent niya. 6 plus 2, kaya x raised to 8. Ganun po. Ganun po yung answer. Second is x raised to 7 all over by x raised to 4. Ang gagawin natin naman dito is isubtract yung exponent. 7 less 4 is 3. Kaya x raised to 3. Yun po yung answer. Third example, x raised to 3 all over by x raised to 2 times, meron tayong square dito sa quantity niya. Ang gagawin naman dyan is, una, i-distribute natin yung 2. X cube times quantity raised to 2. Second is, y squared times the quantity 2 squared. Kaya, 3 times 2 dun sa rule number 3 kanina. Ito, 2 times 3 is 6. Kaya, x raised to 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Kaya, y to the 4th. Kaya, ang answer natin is x to the 6 all over by y to the 4th. X cubed, y to the 4th, z to the 6 all over by x to the 6, y to the 5th, and z squared times the quantity of x to the 7, y to the 9, and z to cube. Gagawin is, ito muna, x cube and x to the 6. 6 less 3 is x cube. Kaya dito sa baba natin nilagay kasi dito mas mataas yung 6 kaysa sa 3 dito sa ibaba. Sa y naman is 5 less 4, 1 is, kaya naging y. Dito natin ilagay sa baba kasi mas mataas yung 5 kaysa sa 4. Sa z naman, 6 less 2 is 4. Kaya sa taas natin nilagay kasi mas mataas yung 6. Times the quantity of 7x to the 7, y to the 9, and z cube. Multiply natin. Itong z to the 4th dito. Ang magiging sagot nito is x to the 7, y to the 9, z 7. Paano naging 7? 3 plus 4. Yun po. Kaya z to the 7 all over by yung natira kanina sa baba, x cube y. X cube y. Ito naman is mayroon na naman tayong x at saka y dito. Ngayon, i-subtract ulit natin. 7 less 3 is 4. 9 less 1, may 1 dito. 1 is 8. Ang final answer is x to the 4th, y to the 8, and z to the 7 power. Yan po yung sagot.